guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonja. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I post DIY videos several times a week, so I would love it if you considered subscribing and pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out my upcoming videos. Today I will be upcycling this picture frame that I had picked up at a thrift store for $3. And I will be adding this handle that came from a restore for, I think it was 25 cents. So this I will be also using some chalk paint to paint it, just because it's almost like an off-white creamy color, and I would really love it if it was more of a pure white. I will also going to be distressing it a little bit. I'm going to try and sand it and see what happens, but if that doesn't work, I will be applying some of the Annie Sloan black wax to it and rubbing it off just to give it that distressed look. So I also want to mention that this video is part of a challenge hosted by Board or Bananas. So I will be linking her channel as well as the playlist down below. So make sure you go check out all the Flippin' Friday videos that are going to be in that playlist, because I'm sure you're going to get tons of inspiration from it. So without further ado, I'm going to get started painting this picture frame. And I like to remove the backing so that way it doesn't get too messy. Now, I could have popped the glass out, but it was a little bit hard with that little lip there. So I just left it and taped it just so that way I don't break the glass, because I'm notorious for breaking things. And I just use painter's tape to tape it up. So it has taken me about 3 coats of this paint to paint it. I was at the last bit of it, of the white paint, so I was adding some water to it and mixing it up. So I did thin it out a little bit more than I would have liked it, so that's why it has taken me 3 coats. Otherwise, probably 1, maybe 2 coats would have been enough. So here it is, and it's just about dry. I'm going to hot glue my little handle here, and I just want to make sure that I have it equal distance before I hot glue it. That is about the same. There we go. Now I'm going to sand a little bit of the edges. See, that's what I thought, it wasn't gonna work out, so I think I'm going to just add a little bit of dark wax just to distress it. And now I'm going to take it and just sand it a little bit just so it doesn't look like I put it there, but more so like it's always been there. Did a little mess up, so I'm just going to recover it with a little bit of paint there. I think this is good. I'm going to show you what it looks like all set up. So here it is. I think it turned out really cute. I added some of our pictures from the Disney because it's in my Disney area where I keep all my pictures, and I think it's a great addition to this wall. I will be probably adding a few more things around it, but it's a great starting point. So I would like to thank Jamie for hosting this challenge. I love participating in thrift flips and challenges, so this was right up my alley. If you're stopping by from the playlist and this is your first time, I would love it if you consider subscribing and pressing the notification bell. Those of you returning, thank you so much for your continuing support. And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.